Hi, this is Nick with WebOS AppReview.com. I'm here today to demonstrate the Lubix NC1 stereo Bluetooth headphones and how the controls of that work with the Palm Pre. Before we get into it, I want to show one kind of unique feature of these headphones is there's a magnet built into the inside of them, so they'll kind of stay snapped together there. What you can do with that is when you're not listening to music or on a phone call, you can kind of hang them down your neck and almost wear it like a pendant that way. So let's go ahead and get into it here. The first thing I'll do is start up the music application and show you how the controls of the Bluetooth device work with it. Okay, so with the music playing, the first thing I'll do is this top little control knob here. If you flick and hold down, that'll decrease the volume. Or if I flick and hold up, that'll increase the volume. Then doing the same action on the bottom control, I can flick down to go to the next track, or flick up to go to the previous track. Now you can also push down in the center of these little controls. So pushing the center of the bottom one will initiate the play/pause function, and pushing the middle of the top one will initiate the call function. So what that's actually going to do, get the phone back on here, is that'll call the redial the last person that I've called. Which in this case is my voicemail. While on a phone call, again, I can do the volume control by flicking up or down on the top. Here you'll see that it actually is controlling the volume of the overall volume of the operating system, as opposed to just controlling the volume of the music playing. The other thing is if I push the center button on this top one, it'll actually transfer the call from, right now it's coming out of the Palm Pre, or push it again and it'll switch back to the Bluetooth. Then on the bottom control I can flick down and that will cancel the call. The other thing that's pretty cool is, even though the music application is in the background now, I can still have access to it through these media controls. So if I push the play pause again, it should resume playback of the music. And there it goes. So, and again, I can still do the next track, previous track, and all of that functionality, even though it's not up. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this and close out some applications here. And the next thing, the final thing I want to show you is the Pandora Internet Radio. Me personally, I don't have a ton of music on my Palm Pre. Instead, I just stream music from Pandora all the time. It's a great little app, and these headphones will actually control the playback on Pandora as well, which is great. Okay, so there it is, the music is up. Once again, I can increase volume by scrolling up on the top one, decrease volume by holding it down, and on the bottom one I can flick down to do the next track, and it'll get the next track going. Now with Pandora I cannot flick up to do the previous track, as that's a limitation of the Pandora application in general. But otherwise all of the functionality is there. It works like it's supposed to. And again, I can use the center button to do the play pause. So that's pretty much it. That's how the controls work on the Lubix NC1 stereo Bluetooth headphones. I'll also be posting a more in-depth review of the headphones and what I think of them on my site sometime soon. So I should get that linked up in the description field on YouTube here. Thanks.